Hi guys, if you want to create a Google Doc spreadsheet and share it online with friends, family or colleagues, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all open google.com on your browser and then click on this Google Apps icon. And now here click on Google Drive. And now on the Google Drive, simply click on this new button and then click on the Google Sheets arrow and then select the blank spreadsheet option. And now a blank Google Docs spreadsheet will appear. You will have to give this spreadsheet a name. So for that, simply click on this untitled spreadsheet option and here type the name. Let's say I want to name it my first Google Doc spreadsheet. So I'll simply type. Here it is. And after naming the spreadsheet, let's enter the value into the cells. For the example here, I'm typing some employee data and revenue details. You can type whatever details you want to type or track. And once you type whatever details you want to type in your spreadsheet, from here you can do the customization. For the example, if you want to change the font size, simply select the text and change the font size from here. You can see. You can make it bold, italic. If you want to change the text color, simply click here and select whatever text color you want. Let's say I want the blue. So here is the blue text. Similarly, if you want to change the background color, you can do it from here. And there are many other customization options which you can use it from here. And in case if you want to use the function feature to do the calculation like sum, average, maximum, minimum or any other calculation, then for that you can use this function option. For the example, let's say I want to get the sum of these numbers. So I'll simply select them and then click on the function option here and then select the sum option. And here you can see I got the sum of all these numbers. Similarly, let's say I want to get the average of these numbers. So for that, again, I will select the numbers, click on this function icon and select the average option. And here you can see this is the average of all these numbers. So from the function menu, you can do any kind of calculation you want. You can see. And whatever changes you make in your Google Doc spreadsheet, it will be automatically saved. For the example, if I type something like average, you can see it is automatically saving and it is says save to drive. And when you click on this icon, it will display all changes saved to drive, which means this Google Doc spreadsheet has been automatically saved to drive. And in case if you want to move it to any specific folder on your Google Drive, for that simply click on the file menu and then select the move option. And here you can see right now this Google Doc spreadsheet is saved to my drive right now. You can see this is the current location. If you want to move it to any specific folder, for that simply go to the folder. Let's say I want to save it to my new files folder. So I will take my cursor here, and when I take my cursor here, I'm able to see the move option. So to move my Google Doc spreadsheet to this folder, I will simply click on this move option. And you can see it is saying the Google Doc spreadsheet has been moved from my drive to my new files. And if you want to check the current location, you can again go to the file, click on move option, and now you can see the current location of my Google Doc spreadsheet is my new files. So this is how you can easily create a Google Doc spreadsheet. And if you want to share it online with your friend, family and colleague, then let's see how to do it. So to share it, simply click on the share button here. And now here, simply type the email ID of the person with whom you want to share your Google Doc spreadsheet. So let's say I want to share this Google Doc spreadsheet with one of my colleague. So here I will simply type the email address of my colleague. Here is she. So I'll simply select it. If you want to give any message, you can type it here. Let's say I want to type the message. Here it is. Now before sending it, click on this arrow icon. And from here you can decide what kind of access you want to give this person. If you want to give only viewing access, simply select the viewer option. If you want to give viewing access plus commenting access as well, then select the commenter option. You can see. And if you want to give all kind of access, simply select the editor option. Here right now, I want to give it just the viewing access. So I'll simply select the viewer option. Here I have selected the viewer access. So this person will be able to only view this Google Docs spreadsheet and won't be able to edit or comment. So once you have given the access of your choice from here, now simply click on this send button. And you will be able to see this message, access updated. And now this Google Doc spreadsheet has been shared. To check out who have the access, again, simply click on the share button. And from here, you will be able to see people with access. You can see I am the owner and I have shared this Google Doc spreadsheet with this person with the viewing access. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily create a Google Doc spreadsheet and share it online with friends, family or colleagues. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.